If your roux has become too thick, you can add a little bit of water to it, enough to gain the right consistency, and mix that in. Just like with the flour, don't dump it all in at once. Add a little bit and stir, then a little bit and stir. It just depends on the consistency you're looking for. After you found that consistency, you're going to add the potatoes and mix in well. At this point, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Then we're going to cover and simmer for about 20 minutes. While this is cooking, you can go ahead and chop your chives. After 20 minutes, go ahead and pour your milk in there. 2 cups half and half or whole milk. Stir. And this point is when you want to add your cheddar cheese, 1 cup, and your chopped chives. Add salt and pepper to taste, and this serves 6. Once again, if this is too much, just cut the recipe in half. And there you have potato soup with country ham and cheese.